Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X30 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the display. Now let's take a look at this lock display section and tap on the screen timeout. And as you can see here, we've got quite a lot of options to choose from. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, which are quite short options, or 1 to 5 or 10 minutes. Currently, we've got 5 minutes option applied. As you can see, this option is marked. So basically, all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use. So I will pick, for example, 10 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately marked. And after getting back, it is notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Nokia X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.